Il est le seul homme, vous êtes le seul homme à avoir remporté 3 fois la Coupe du Monde. Merci, Monsieur Pollet.
Merci de nous accorder quelques minutes pour cette interview. D'abord, on voudrait savoir, vous voyagez autour du monde avec le trophée le plus prestigieux qui soit. Ça reste spécial ou c'est devenu une routine pour vous?
You know, the most important, emotion in my life start here when the French newspaper they call Le Roi Pelé, and at that time it was not that Jules Rimet, it was different, but the emotion is the same emotion.
Vous dites qu'on ne se rappelle pas, mais on se rappelle. J'ai une photo pour vous. Et vous la connaissez. C'est la photo d'un jeune homme.
Oh, but that's the Jules Rimet.
Le trophée Jules Rimet.
It's the same emotion.
Pour vous, lequel a le plus de valeur?
For me, it's equal. The only difference is this one. No, I went 3 times. This one I didn't have time to do, but it's the same level. Same level. I played 4 World Cup with Jules Rimet. When the 74, when they changed, no, I stopped to play. But it's the same emotion. The same emotion.
France.
La France, qu'est-ce qu'elle représente pour vous, si on ne parle pas de football?
Well, I have been in France many times because I have a lot of friends here. No, I like the musicians, the music.
You say artist.
Justement, vous parlez d'artistes. Vous la connaissez, elle?
That was almost one of the more important time for me, emotion time, because I came to say hello to Brigitte Bardot. Unbelievable, it was fantastic.
La France, sur le terrain, on peut dire que c'est le meilleur ennemi du Brésil. À part en 1958, la France a toujours battu votre pays en match officiel. Est-ce que vous êtes inquiet pour cette année?
No, I have a luck because the time when I play, I don't lost. When I stop, France win. Okay, I have a luck. But now to talk about the World Cup, I wish Brazil go to the final with France. It would be fantastic. But I hope so. I hope Brazil play well because it's a very big responsibility for Brazil because play at the home. The last time Brazil played at the home, Brazil lost, in 50s. Then I think this is a great opportunity for Brazil to recover.
En France, on a un petit problème. Une partie des Français n'apprécie pas beaucoup certains joueurs internationaux. Et ils leur reprochent de ne pas être sur la même planète et de ne pas avoir les mêmes valeurs. Est-ce que vous pourriez imaginer ça au Brésil?
I think all over the world is like that today. It was a little bit changed because now you have the door open for everyone. It was not like before, because before Brazilian was Brazilian, France was France, German was German. Now you have a German who play in Brazil, you have France who play in Brazil, you have Brazilian and the Japanese who play in Europe. Now I think it's different, but I think it's important to understand the game decide in the field, in the grass you decide the game. Doesn't matter who you are, but the shorter you play, you must defend.
Vous parlez du terrain, on parle de la France. Avec une question pour vous, celle de Monsieur Guadalajara, un ancien international français, buteur avec la France, Luis Fernandez contre le Brésil en 1986.
Pour toi, cette Coupe du Monde va-t-elle se dérouler dans de bonnes conditions, dans de bonnes dispositions? Parce qu'on rêve tous de voir une belle Coupe du Monde au Brésil. Dis-moi, qu'est-ce que tu en penses, toi?
That's what we worry. I think Brazil always was the country of the football. Everybody knows that. The country who most has won the World Cup. I think this is the moment to show this for the foreigners. I think it's the moment where Brazil has 3 big opportunities to organize the biggest tournament in the world. Confederation Cup, who has a little problem. Now have the World Cup, and then after have the Olympics. I say, listen, the best promotion of Brazil is the football. People don't remember that. We have the opportunity now to make a lot of money with the tourism. Why are we gonna mix the players? Doesn't have nothing with the corruption and the politics.
Vous parlez des joueurs. Qui sera celui qui soulèvera ce trophée le 13 juillet prochain?
Listen, I want to be there. I thank God if He gave me opportunity to be one of them there with the players there, no doubt.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pelé. Obrigado.
De nada.
And a good World Cup.
Thank you. One more time for the French people. Thank you for everything. Okay.